In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to CoinGecko. Quick note before we begin. CoinGecko doesn't hold or move your funds. Instead, you'll be recording a purchase you made on an exchange or wallet so your portfolio on CoinGecko accurately reflects what you own. Think of this as logging a transaction for tracking and analytics. Start by opening your browser and heading to CoinGecko.com. Give the page a moment to load. If you have a CoinGecko account, make sure you're signed in so your changes are saved to your portfolio across devices. If you're browsing without an account, your data may be stored only locally and could be lost if you clear your cache. At the top of the site, click Portfolio. This takes you to your tracking dashboard. If this is your first time, you'll see prompts to start adding coins. Otherwise, you'll see your existing portfolio overview. Next, choose the coin you want to update. You can select it from your portfolio list or use the search within your portfolio page to find the exact asset you're tracking. Be sure you pick the correct token and network variant if there are similarly named assets. Hover over or locate the plus icon associated with that coin and click it. This opens the transaction dialog where you can log activity for that asset. From the options shown, click Buy. This tells CoinGecko you're adding a purchase to your records. Remember, this doesn't purchase crypto through CoinGecko. It simply records the details so your holdings, cost basis, and performance are calculated correctly. Now, select the coin if it's not already pre-filled. Double check the ticker and logo to avoid adding the wrong asset, especially if there are multiple versions. Type in total spent. Enter the full amount of money you paid in your preferred currency. For the cleanest tracking, include any fees you paid to the exchange so your average buy price and cost basis are accurate. If your account currency isn't what you want, you can adjust your site currency in CoinGecko settings before adding the transaction. Then, type in quantity. This is the exact number of tokens you received. Precision matters here. Copy the amount from your exchange or wallet history to avoid rounding errors. When everything looks correct, click Add Transaction to save it. Your portfolio will refresh to include the new position or update your existing position, showing metrics like average price, current value, and unrealized profit and loss. If you spot a mistake later, you can return to the transaction list for that coin and edit or remove the entry. That's it. By logging your buy on CoinGecko, you'll keep your crypto tracking organized, accurate, and easy to visualize.